Students, now next type of factorization is factorizing trinomials in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. In the previous exercise we have seen x square plus bx plus c, but now you will have some a with x square also. So for that, in the previous exercise we were just factors of c and breaking the middle term, that is bx. Now you will use the factors of a into c. Okay, a into c will be product of a into c should be the sum of b. Okay, there where we were using only c, but here if you have any constant here, you are going to use this constant also as a factor for splitting the middle term. Now let us go through the questions. First question is 4x square plus 5x plus 1. Okay, 4x square plus 5x plus 1. Now here it is ax square plus bx plus c. So a is 4 and c is 1. It is 4 into 1 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, here directly you can see that 4 plus 1 is 5. So how you are going to break the middle term? Only middle term will be broken, a and c will not change. Okay, so in place you can write 4 plus 1. Now again doing the same thing, open the bracket and take the common. 4x square and 4x, you will take 4x common. You will be left with x plus 1, as you have taken all 4x outside, so you will be left with 1. Here there is nothing common. When there is nothing common, we take 1 and put the things in bracket. So here x plus 1 is a common term, common factor, and next factor is 4x plus 1. So this is how you will split the middle term by using a and c. Now second question is 2x square plus 11x plus 14. Okay. 2x square plus 11x plus 14. Let me check I have written correct or not. Yeah. So here a is 2 and c is 14. So 2 into 14. These factors we are going to use. But 14 plus 2 is 16 and 2 is 12. You are not getting 11 here. So let us check how we will get 11. See here, 14 twos is 28. And if we break 28, we can break 7 fours are 28. And 7 plus 4 is 11. So we have got the right factors, that is 7, 4. So let us split it. 2x square, 4 plus 7, in place of 11 you can write 4 plus 7x plus 14. Let us open the bracket. Now let us take common from first two and last two. So here you can take 2x common. So x plus 2 2s are 4. And if we take 7 common, x plus 7 2s are 14. So x plus 2 is your common factor. And next is 2x plus 7. Okay. This is how we are going to do it. It's not always direct that 4 plus 1 is 5. First you have to see this, the product, and then you can break it again to find the required split. Okay. Now let us see some more questions. 2x square plus 11x plus 12. Now here 12 2s are 24. You have to break the, see 12 minus 2 is 10, so you cannot use it directly. 12 2s are 24. Break the factors of 24 to get 11. So think for it and do it. 3x square plus 13x plus 4. 4 3s are 12. Okay. Here we have to use the factors of 12 to get 13. So if it is like this, there is a factor in the difference of 1 only. Then you can see 4 3s are 12 and 12 into 1 is also 12. So you can split it as 12 plus 1. 13 can be split as 12 plus 1. Now 2x square minus 5x minus 12. Fifth question. 2x square minus 5x minus 12. Let me check that I have written correct or not. 2x square minus 5x minus 12. Now what are we going to use here? 2 12. 2 into 12. See, 12 minus 2 is 10, so it is not up to the mark. Let us see other factors. 12 2s is 24. We have to see the factors of 24 which are in the 5. Okay, so we have 6 fours are 24, but this is not suitable because 6 minus is 2. We have 8 threes are 24. Okay, 8 minus 3 is 5. So we have got the correct factorization. So what are we going to do here? 2x square minus 8 minus 3. 5 in place of 5 you will write 8 minus 3. Now split the term, open the bracket, take common from first two and last two. Three fours are 12, so x minus 4 and 2x plus 3 will be your factorization. This is how you will do the guesswork. Okay, this is how you will find out. A number might be having many factors, but which factor is satisfied by our middle term, that factor only we are going to use. Here is 4x square plus 8x minus 5. Now 4 5s is 20 for factors which are in the difference of 8. So 10 2s are 20 and 10 minus 2 is 8. So you can write use here 10 minus 2. Here 13x square plus 37x minus 6. So multiply 13 into 6. 36 is 78, and then take the factors of 78, use them which are having sum 37 and split them. Now try all these questions in your notebook, and if you feel any difficulty you can ask me in the online class. And these questions I have reduced from 11 to 17, but you can try it for your practice. Okay, and if you find any difficulty, just come and ask me in the online class. And yes, definitely take the help of all the examples which are there in the book. Okay, thank you.